Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today we have a bit of a pantry haul and some essentials and a couple of medical things. So if you're new to the channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps in the algorithm so people see the video. And yeah, the comments, they show activity, so that's really important. So if you just say hello down below or let me know you're a subscriber, it'll really help. So anyways, let's get started. So we'll start with some of the little stuff. I got 4 packages of the Knorr French onion soup mix. You can make gravy or dips or soup or seasoning, use it as seasoning, what have you. The same with this. This is the Knorr mushroom soup, or you can just make it and eat it. The mushroom soup's just easier to have than in a can. I got some gochujang spicy Korean barbecue sauce. I got some of the Olive Garden Italian because my mother says that is her new favorite for the cucumber tomato salad, so we shall see. I got a 6-pack, this box of Tasty Bite Vindaloo. These are hot and spicy vegetables in a tomato curry sauce. So that'd be really good over rice with some naan or pita, and flatbreads are super easy to make. So I got a 6-pack of those. They were about $3 a package. I got a 24 box pack of these Charro Beans. They have chorizo, jalapenos, and cilantro. So yeah, I didn't want to try and lift that box of 24 cans of beans. So I got these a while back. I got the 24 cans for, they were 30 and had dropped down to 26. So I got them. I got 4 boxes of the Taco Bell Crunchy Taco Dinner Kit, and it has the meat seasoning, the mild sauce, and your shells. And the mild sauce has been really hard to find, so this is a good way to get it because we usually use our home canned salsa. And when I want to do copycat like Taco Bell stuff, do your own homemade fast food, you need that mild sauce for the seasoning, like if you do your own burritos and stuff like that. I got jajang noodles, the spicy seafood. I got some tom yum noodles, and I just really like the Korean and Indian noodles. They're more substantial and the flavors are just mo better. This is the tomato pasta. It's just like a spicy spaghetti flavor. And this is the spicy jjajangmyeon. And this is the spicy chicken. The paldo and the samyang are really good ramen noodles. If you're into ramen noodles, they're better than the Manchurian or whatever they are, the top ramen at the grocery store. I got a 4-pack of cream of chicken, and that's just, if I'm sick, I like to eat this with some hot sauce or use it in casseroles and things like that. You know, like your green bean casserole, but we use mushroom in that. I got 3 packages of the Tide Free and Gentle, and I'm switching over to this so I don't have the asthma attacks I'm having lately from perfumey stuff. And then since Hershey's, this took a lot to find. They are running low on their stuff, so I did find the combo pack of caramel and chocolate syrup. And my husband got me some ice cream sandwiches the other day, so I can make like a sundae with one of those. And I got a 14 pack of the Dove Sensitive, and this was $9.99, so you couldn't beat that deal for 14 bars of soap. There's that gnat that's been here for days. It should be close to the end of its life cycle. And then I got 250 piece safety pins in different sizes. And if you were to have to make a sling or use an ace bandage, there are just a gazillion things that you can use safety pins for. So you might want to have some of those in your emergency kit. And I'm not going to open this, but it's an irrigation tray with the syringe. Let's see if it says on here. The piston syringe, tip protector, drape, alcohol prep pad, container tray. And then I got this saline solution. You can irrigate wounds. I got this for my dog's eyes. So you might want to have some of this if you need to clean out a wound or anything like that, or treat your pets. This is good to have on hand. So yeah, so that is my haul for today. I think I got everything in it. So yeah, just keep prepping your pantry and your medical and your hygiene, and I will see you all soon. You stay safe, you stay healthy. We have a few more days of over 100 degrees, and then it's supposed to be 89, I think maybe Tuesday or Wednesday, something like that. So that will be nice. So yeah, I will see you all in the next video. Take care.